Hey guys, it's James here from the Plunge Pool Company, here for the long-awaited and strongly contested Win Back Your Plungie competition. So guys, if you're in it to win it, now is the time that we're going to find out who is going to be that lucky purchaser of their Plungie through the month of November. And if you are randomly selected in our very state-of-the-art selection device, the Plungie Original, you're going to be receiving your Plungie supply absolutely for free if you've purchased during November. So guys, as I said, we're out here again at our amazing partners here at Centenary Landscapes at our beautiful display model here for the Plungie Original. So guys, if you're in the market for a new Plungie and you're in the greater Brisbane area, why not come down and see the guys at Centenary Landscapes, get some amazing advice, and check out our amazing display. So without further ado, we were racking our brains on how to randomly select our winner this month. So we wanted to use that in a really interactive way that showcased our Plungie and show you guys just how big that body of water is. There isn't a day go by that somebody doesn't give me a call and ask sort of, why don't we have more pictures and videos showing people jumping in the pool? Well, I'm here to tell you that I'll be jumping in the pool and randomly selected one of these weighted anchors, and each one of these contains the lucky name of somebody who's purchased their Plungie during the month of November, and I'm going to be drawing that one at random from within the pool here. So Paul's going to just showcase the pool here for you, ladies and gentlemen, while I start throwing these randomly into the Plungie. So as you can see guys, lots of entrants here in the Win Back Your Plungie competition. So I think there was almost 40 people purchased their pool this month. So as you can see, all of these will be thrown in at random. And if you're lucky enough to have your name drawn, you're going to be winning your Plungie for absolutely free supply. So guys, that's worth up to $17,000 or $16,990 is the full RRP on one of these Plungies. So whatever you paid for your Plungie, not including your delivery, you're going to go in the chance to win that supply absolutely for free. So look at this, we've had a very, very busy month here at Plungies. So many entrances. And you'll have to forgive my pasty white legs, because I haven't had much time to get much sun myself and swim in my own Plungie, because all of you guys have been busy ringing up with your inquiries and working out just how you can partner with Plungie for your own pool at your place. There we go guys, the table has been set. So guys, make sure that you're liking our page, sharing our page, and tagging your friends and family, because fun like this is just the beginning at Plungies, as we want to educate the market and share our knowledge of the pool industry with everyone in Australia, so we can get our Plungie to as many Australians as possible. So I'm just going to make sure this one sinks. Got to do things the right way here. So there we have it. So if you're there watching at home and you purchase your Plungie this month, your name's in there. So now for the fun part. So in dealing with a big body of water like this, it pays to be smart and have the right gear. So I've chosen Cressy scuba diving equipment, a set of fins and a snorkel, because in this nice big Plungie Original, you've got to have the right gear. Going to put the GoPro on so we can post this later and show you from a bird's eye view Plungie being selected. Alrighty guys, 3, 2, 1, here we go. We have a winner. Whew. Took a while to get down there. So who is the lucky winner going to be? I'm excited. go. Who's it gonna be? Carrie Walsh. Carrie, congratulations. You are winning the supply of your Plungie absolutely for free. So Carrie, that is the prize valued at $16,990 for the Plungie original and all of that amazing pool right equipment package. So I couldn't be happier to share such an amazing prize with you, Carrie. So thank you very, very much for believing in Plungie and choosing Plungie for your pool at your home. So ladies and gentlemen, if you weren't successful in this competition, please rest assured that you've won already in choosing Plungie. So you get to experience your own amazing Plungie original that you purchased in November. Pretty soon that's going to be delivered and installed at your house, and every day is going to be a winning day for you as you get to enjoy summer in your very own Plungie. So ladies and gentlemen, thanks for tuning in and thanks for choosing Plungie. We can't wait to share more good times with you again soon. Thanks very much.